Your social media feed is probably blowing up right now with that one pillow everyone says will fix your life. It is the one that looks like a sleek white cloud and promises to end your neck pain forever. I spent some time digging into whether this viral sensation is actually a dream or a total nightmare. The design is honestly pretty clever because it uses a dual height system. Most pillows force you to choose one single loft when you buy them. This one has a lower side and a higher side built right into the same unit. You just flip the thing over depending on how you are feeling that night. One side sits at about 3.5 inches for back sleeping, while the other side is over 4 inches for when you roll onto your shoulder. It is a simple solution for people who toss and turn throughout the night. The price is about $50. That sounds like a steal for something this specialized. The cover is certified by independent labs. That means it is not just some cheap foam wrapped in mystery fabric. They tested it for harmful substances. That gives you some real peace of mind. Chiropractors have apparently given it the thumbs up because of how it supports the spine. Side sleepers are the ones raving the most across every platform I checked. They say the foam holds its shape and keeps their neck aligned through the night. The cooling cover is another major win because nobody likes waking up in a sweat. But here is where the story takes a turn for the worse. You might see the ads and think it is all sunshine, but the customer reviews tell a much grittier story. Shipping seems to be a massive headache for a lot of people. Some buyers are reporting their orders getting stuck in limbo for weeks on end. You get a tracking number and then nothing happens. The company barely communicates when this happens, which is a huge red flag. Then there's the smell. When you first unbox a compressed foam pillow, it usually smells like a chemistry lab. This one is no different. Most people say it goes away after a couple of days, but you have to be ready for that initial funk. Now let us talk about the really scary part. The company has a failing grade with the Better Business Bureau. That is not just a minor issue. It is a giant flashing warning sign. People are reporting that they tried to return the pillow within the 30-day window, but nobody answers the emails. The clock keeps ticking while the support team stays silent. By the time someone gets back to you, the return window has already slammed shut. Plus, they take the shipping cost out of your refund anyway. It feels like a trap for anyone who does not fall in love with the product instantly. The pillow itself might be a high-quality piece of gear, but the business side of things feels like a massive gamble. If you buy it, you should probably assume you are keeping it forever because trying to get your money back sounds like a full-time job. It is a classic case of the product being great, but the service being a total disaster. You have to decide if that $50 risk is worth the potential for better sleep. If you are a side sleeper struggling with neck issues, it might be the answer you have been looking for. Just do not expect the red carpet treatment if something goes wrong with your delivery. The truth is rarely as perfect as the edited clips on your phone screen. You have to look past the aesthetic and see the logistics behind the curtain.